We are the only Hampton Roads station to capture local law enforcement training for cases they soon could investigate.
The two-day seminar stems from the Attorney General's efforts to test all rape kits in the state's backlog. Now police, lawyers, and advocates are learning how to help victims through these complicated cases. 13 News Now investigative reporter Laura Geller has the latest in our Test the Kits investigation.
We've been bringing you our Test the Kits investigation for more than 2 years now. Today it brought us to Richmond, where Hampton Roads law enforcement are learning from experts about sexual assault cold cases.
Thank you to each jurisdiction that is here. Virginia Beach, you could give a shout out where y'all.
Virginia Beach Police listening and learning for 2 days of training crucial to ending Virginia's backlog in a sensitive way. Of the Commonwealth's newly tested kits, 57 have hit to profiles in the National DNA Database. But a hit doesn't mark the end of the effort to seek justice for victims who in some cases have been waiting for decades.
We want to support you and we want to support survivors through every step of this project.
Now, many of these folks have to reinvestigate these cases and notify those victims of their test results.
It can bring a lot of emotions back to the surface, and it's really important that it be done in a way that minimizes the risk of additional emotional harm.
To make sure investigators handle these victims delicately, they'll hear from someone who's been there. Tomorrow, Debbie Smith, the rape victim who was part of our original investigation, will be here. Her case was solved through a DNA cold hit.
Having a survivor talk about the trauma of a sexual assault helps make sure that communities have this survivor-centered approach.
We started our Test the Kits investigation more than 2 years ago. If you want to see all of our stories in this series, go to the 13 News Now Investigates tab on our website. In Richmond, Laura Geller, 13 News Now.